Mr. Luis Falero, ex-CM Goa. Sir, you have not to be seen around in the Goa political circle. Any update in regards to that?
No. I am very much in Goa because I have left from my position as a member of parliament. I have left my position from the political parties. But I am doing something which I feel is very necessary so that the people of Goa can get some information and knowledge from our background. See, I had been as a member of assembly for 7 terms. I had been the ex-chief minister. I had been a member of parliament. You need not continue as a politician, but you can always contribute for the betterment for the future of it. You must be knowing that I have finished one book, The Battle for Confidence State, where I was involved personally. And the people of Goa were involved. Now I am doing a book for a better Goa. You know, you may have a lot of experiences, successful, not successful. I had brought around 7, 8 policies. People will remember employment policy, education policy, industrial policy. IT policy was the first policy in India. Then biotechnology policy. And we had our successes. Some I implemented in total, some I have not been able to implement, like housing policy. But implementing policies is important. But more important is to go on a mission mode. So whatever is my successes and especially my failures, I would like to bring it to the notice of the people and bring it for the posterity, because that is very, very important. I have just finished 1 or 2 chapters, chapter on agriculture, which is published by some of the leading dailies in Goa. I have finished my book on the Knowledge Commission, which I had formed. Many people might have forgotten. I am finishing the chapter on education, because if you want to empower the people, you empower them to good education and good health. So I am doing this work. It takes a lot of time, especially now since I have forgotten. But with the help of the records which are available in the government, I'm trying to bring it up so that I can bring it to the posterity. And
Sir,
that's very important for me, because the betterment of Goa is very, very important. Goa needs to be protected, preserved and handed over to the posterity.
so now as you say that you want to share your experiences,
Good or bad?
or good or bad. So you're not aligned to any political party.
No,
What
I
does
can't do both.
you can't do both? So now you
Maybe
only give back
after I
time.
finish the book, I would like Goa to have a nice movement for a better future.
So what do you feel now with the present scenario of Goa? What is ever happening? Or what is happening? Some few
I
words
don't want
to say.
comment, because right now I am in the process of gathering my thoughts for a better Goa. And I'm trying my best to suggest certain things which are good for Goa without any political affiliations, so that it becomes more necessary for the people of Goa and all of us, and especially the intellectuals, the activists, they also can contribute in this and maintain. For example, I'm very, very particular about ecology, environment, our forest, our trees, our paddy fields, our greenery. We have to regain this landscape. That's where I am. But without showing any of this, I want to do it the way I feel is necessary for the future.